Ever wondered what happens when you mix pure racing nostalgia with modern day Japanese engineering? Well, buckle up because today we are unboxing a monster that is this LB Super Silhouette Nissan S15 Silvia. And guess what? This isn't just any car, it has a wild backstory that will blow your mind. We are talking about a drag racing legend reborn as a super silhouette icon, and MiniGT has captured all that madness in this insane 1:64 scale model. Is it worth adding to your collection? Let's find out. Stick around till the end. Now, before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more diecast unboxings and crazy car stories. Okay? So this is the box. It says MiniGT and the name of the car. You can see the car right here. Blah blah blah. This is official licensed product by Nissan, TSM model. The MiniGT number is 618. Yeah, this is a bit older model. It says MiniGT right here, and as that scale 1:64. The other side we have Liberty Walk. Nice. So it is sealed, and let's crack this open. So let's open it up. This is the first time I'm opening it up. You have to be very careful. At least I am trying to be as careful as possible. Okay, and here comes the moment of truth. There it is. The 23 number Nissan Silvia S15 rocking the bold Liberty Walk super silhouette kit. Just look at those sharp lines. Oh, that massive rear wing. Beautiful. So this comes in this small blister. And just a second, look at this wild fender flares. It's screaming 80s racing car energy, right? So let's. I have to be very careful with this one. Oh, all right. So this is the magical. Oh, look at the amount of details that has gone into this. Look at the amount of details. Oh, I'm literally awestruck by looking at this beautiful car. Huh. Oh my god, look at this. Okay, this is pretty amazing. Look at the base. Look at those. Oh wow, holy moly. It says Liberty Walk beneath the wing. That's crazy. And it says Asia Corporation Group. Okay, look at this. Look at this beautiful car. The amount of stickering, livery that has gone into it. This is mind-blowing. You have to be careful with the rear view mirrors because they are rubber inserts. Look at that. Plastic inserts for the headlamps. Look at the front grille. Everything is so. Look at the front. This is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Liberty Walk HKS. You have sphere light in the front badging, and yeah, this is as cool as it can get. Look at the top. Look at the top. Let me zoom in for you. Oh, this is drop dead gorgeous. I am in love with this. So now let's do a short roll test. Let's see if Let's see if it rolls. So here you can see the wheels are rolling freely, not much in the back. Look at this. So this has always been the issue with mini GTs. I think if I can pull it down, I don't know. See, look at this one. Even this is stuck. So this is the casting make. Okay, even the rubber is gone. It's not out of. It is out of place here. So when it comes to the making of the casting, right, they could have left a little bit of gap for the wheels to roll. This is where I have trouble and issues with mini GT. So if I do a road test, I don't think it is going to go well. Yeah, see, it doesn't go well at all. The rear wheels are barely moving. But yeah, again, if you see from the other point of view that you're not gonna be rolling these cars, right? And wait a minute. Look at the livery on this one. Just a sec. Okay. Too much zoomed in. Look at this. And look at this. That is insane. This is 1:64 model, guys. This is 1:64 model, and look at the details on this one. Crazy amount of details. So mini GT, I have a request for you. Please make these castings a little bit better for rolling as well, if you guys are watching this. So now let's talk about the actual car, because this S15 isn't just a pretty face. So this one started life as a brutal drag racing machine in Japan, built by the legendary tuner Endless. We're talking a 9-second quarter mile runs, a proper beast. But once its drag days were over, the guys at Auto Finesse bought it to the UK, and that's where it underwent its insane transformation into a super silhouette masterpiece. With the blessing of Liberty Walk themselves, only a handful of cars get this treatment, making this one an absolute unicorn. Oh, and here's a twist. Did you know Mini GT worked directly with Liberty Walk to ensure every inch of this diecast is authentic? Every decal, every aerodynamic element, even that massive wing was modeled with insane accuracy. Basically, this isn't just a diecast car. It's a slice of Goodwood history in your palm. So now, is the Mini GT LB Super Silhouette Nissan Silvia S15 worth it? Absolutely. Whether you're a diecast collector, a JDM fan, or someone who loves a good motorsport story, this one is a gem. And seeing this legendary car reborn from a drag strip beast to a Goodwood showstopper, that's what makes it special. This isn't just a model, it's a tribute to the wild spirit of motorsport. And now it's the part of my collection. What do you think? Would you add it to yours? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more epic unboxings and wild car stories. Next up, we have another legend that took the motorsport world by storm. Think iconic liveries, roaring engines, endless dunes, and a victory that made motorsport history. Any guesses? Let's find out. Until then, do take very good care of yourself. Happy life, happy collecting, and stay driven.